call makeup in. Pat his head down a little bit. Thank you. Too much reflecting.
I got a lot of reflecting going on over here.
And do my head while you're at it. Hey, do you want me to net or you want me to continue to photograph?
You photo, I'll net him.
Just let him get tired.
Yeah, I'm in no hurry. This lure has treble hooks on it. I probably got him with at least 2 of them.
I hate troubles.
I hate them too, but...
Nice. Nice. Hi. That's a nice one. It's a lot bigger than I thought it would be.
Yeah.
Big boy. Big boy. Nice. Nice, Ed. Smile for the camera.
Hi, Mom.
Hey, that's a great one. Turn a little sideways.